Good morning students. Today we are discussing about very interesting chapter, that is absolute value. In this chapter we are trying to understand the meaning of absolute value, then conditions for absolute value, and we have to solve some examples of absolute value. For understanding the meaning of this concept, watch my full video, share my video, and press bell icon. So the students, we see number line on the paper. From 0 in positive direction at 4 places, one point is there, and in negative direction from 0 at 4 places, another point is there. And when we discuss about how many distance these 2 points from 0, then we say that at 4 places we don't take the sign of these numbers. It means that what is the meaning of absolute? Absolute means only, and value means digit. It means that absolute value means take only value, not its sign. For this, for understanding this concept, we take one example. There are two friends from same school, and one is standing from 10 meter from its school in east direction, and another friend is standing at 10 meter in the west direction. And when we asking both the friends that at how many kilometer you are standing from your school, then the both friends giving same answer, and that is 10 meter. They are not saying that I am standing from school in plus 10 meter, and another not saying that I am standing in minus 10 meter. It means that some quantities need only magnitude, not direction, and this magnitude is called as absolute value. Now we are discussing about the mathematical definition of absolute value. If x is a real number, then absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on number line. Take only distance. Then what is real number? The set of rational number and irrational number is called as real number. Only taking distance, not its sign. Then the conditions for absolute value. If x is greater than 0, then absolute value of x is positive. It means that x is positive, then absolute value is also positive. Number 2, if x is 0, then absolute value of x is 0. It means that absolute value of 0 is 0. And third condition, if x is small than 0, it means that x is negative. Even though x is negative, but then absolute value of x is positive. See in the figure, absolute value of x is equal to a. It means that x is equal to plus a and x is equal to minus a. The meaning of this is that if any positive number and if any negative number is having same absolute value. Now we are discussing about some examples of absolute value. Then absolute value of plus 7 is equal to plus 7. In second example, absolute value of minus 10 is equal to plus 10. In third example, absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. And fourth is the equation, absolute value of x minus 5 is equal to 3. It means that x minus, we don't know the value of x. X minus 5 is equal to 3. It means that the value of absolute value of two numbers is positive, it means we have to take plus or minus 3. Plus 3 is having absolute value x minus 5 and minus 3 is the absolute value of x minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to plus 3 or x minus 5 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 5 plus 3 or x is equal to minus 3 plus 5. X is equal to 8 or x is equal to 2.